Video 3 of 30. Do you need spousal consent? Do you not need spousal consent? Let's break it down. What creates a lot of confusion is that under the family law legislation, there's two definitions of a spouse. First definition has to do with property rights. In order to deal with property rights as a spouse, you have to be legally married, meaning you need a marriage certificate. The other definition, which people confuse with the two, is the definition of a common law spouse or a spouse as far as support considerations are concerned. Spousal support, child support. This type of spouse, common law, and for support purposes, you never need spousal consent. It is not something required insofar as the legislation is concerned. Now, going back to a legally married spouse, someone that's got a marriage certificate, in this case, what you need to do is you need to further ask two questions. And if both of these answers are yes, you'll need spousal consent. Question 1, is the property a matrimonial home? By definition, any property that's ordinarily occupied by both spouses could be deemed a matrimonial home, meaning you can have more than one. Second question, is there a non-title spouse? Meaning, if both husband and wife, wife and wife are on title, in this case, you don't need spousal consent, you need full execution. Both parties sign off on the entire agreement. Now, if the second qualifier, the spouse is not on title, is true, then in this case, and in only this case, do you require spousal consent to sell off on the property. One more thing I'm going to clarify. When we talk about a matrimonial home, an investment property that you've never lived in, that's been rented out for as long as you've owned it, doesn't matter when you got it. The fact is that spousal consent would not be required because limb 1 of the test has failed. Ricky Rathore here again, broker owner at Remax Metropolis, real estate lawyer, Rathore Big Professional Corporation. We'll see you again tomorrow for video 4. Bye for now.